We are unboxing the Sweet and Spooky SCT Delivered online classes. I am so excited to have this in my hands. I saw that Paige Evans was designing a Halloween collection, and she is the queen of Halloween. I immediately knew I wanted it. I bought this a while ago, and I'm so excited because her collection's so hard to get. It's sold out everywhere. I'm so happy. I was hoping we're doing a 4x4 album, and I was hoping it was going to be this one. So let's take this out of the box and see what we have inside here. So many wonderful surprises. Okay. Okay, so this is the album, and it comes with 15 page protectors. So it's got a full sheet, a quarter sheet, and then the one with the little tiny squares. I actually have more albums like this, and I have a lot of sheets as well, so I can add to that if I need to. Oh, I'm nervous. They might not have the one thing I was really hoping for in here. I was really hoping to get the embroidery set, and I don't see it. Unless it's hiding in here. Let's just take this all out and see everything that's inside. So the Paige Evans has a beautiful ephemera set that has embroidery, floss, and everything already built in. And it doesn't look like it's coming in this kit. I was really, really hoping that it was. They do have these two ephemera sets, which are spectacular, and I'm so happy to have both of those ephemera kits. So you get the Tricks and Treats ephemera pack with 75 pieces, and this one looks more like a tags and sayings one. So lots of pumpkins and flowers and potion bottles and houses and things there. So yay for that. You get the Tricks and Treats thickers, which are a gorgeous collection. You've got both the colored alphas and then this beautiful iridescent silvery alpha. That's fantastic. And then you get, wow, this set of black and white enamel dots. Always love that. A spider web, a frame. This is probably an exclusive. Quite often when they do dies, SCT have exclusive dies that they use. Ooh, a pumpkin, a skull, a spider. That's maybe for the top of the pumpkin, I would imagine. It's going to go on like that. And then this web and inside of this frame. So not only do you get this kit, but you also get classes, and it was just over $100. So you really can't go wrong. I was worried we would not get these in time because they're sold out everywhere, and there was like a delay in production and stuff. But we have it in our hands. That is fun. Look at the stitching on the Happy Halloween. And then there's all of these beautiful, colorful sayings. Ghouls, let's go ghouls. Boo. Make today magical. All these nice ones there as well. I love this little potion. The 6x12 stickers have an iridescent shine on them as well. That's great. So one of the things that we're going to be doing with Virginia Nebel is a shadow box insert class, and look at that we get with this. Those are always such a fun project. We get the 12x12 foam stickers from Paige's collection. Trick or treat. Amazing. And then we get a bunch of papers. I love these. I can see Fussy cutting these, but I'm not sure what the classes have in store for us. I'm not sure I'll follow the classes. I'm actually double booked. I have an in-person crop. The Scrapbook Cottage from Winnipeg is coming to my city. Look at those cute little ghosts. And it is the exact same weekend as this online virtual event. So I will obviously go to the in-person one. The nice thing about the events online is that the videos are all saved for you, so you can always go back and participate even if you can't participate live. So I'll have to see how it is that I am going to participate in this. This is so fun. I can see fussy cutting those images. So the squares that we have look like they're maybe 1.5 by 1.5. I think that I would cut these out and use them in those pages in the albums. So this grid here, I bet you they're the right size for that square. And then this orange has a really cute, almost like tone on tone, monochromatic ghost and bats, skulls, and spiders. I don't love this page. This almost looks like, it's nice fall, but it almost looks like a 70s kind of vibe. And then just like a plain black and white on the back. I don't hate it, but it's just not my favorite. And then this is cute. I much prefer that black, yellow, white one. Oh, now that's really nice with the spider webs. I'm really excited to see 2 of these. This is probably my favorite patterned paper, and this is what the back of it looks like. It's cute, all of the little details, the skulls, the nice colors of pumpkins and flowers. I also really love this collection. Oh, yay! Or this paper. I'm excited to see we got 2 of these as well. Ooh, beautiful ombre. Almost looks like it's a mixed media watercolor effect that you've created on the paper, but the work's already done for you. Ooh, another one that we got doubles of. Very happy. These are the 3 papers I would have chose double of myself if I was choosing this collection on my own. So that's great that they have the tricks and treats. What are these called? They're the cut aparts, basically, the cut apart tags. So yay for that. And then we just have some other black and white cardstock, so some 12 by 12s. There will be some 12 by 12 layouts that we're doing. Paige is doing those classes herself. I doubt that I will create 12 by 12. I haven't been scrapbooking with 12 by 12 anymore, but certainly we'll take the ideas and inspiration from her classes and then use that modified into other creations. It is Meghann Andrews that is doing the 4x4 class. So there's the teachers that are here. These are the 3 teachers. Virginia's doing the doodle bug workshop. Megan's doing the 4x4 album, and Paige is doing the 12 by 12 layouts. So it's on Saturday, October 5th, and that is the same day that I am doing the in-person crop. So we'll have to see, yeah, like how all that goes and what they have lined up for our courses. But I'm so glad that I ordered this kit, because not only did I get all of these products, which I easily would have spent the same amount on just the products alone, but I also get the wonderful instructions and access to the Facebook page and all the inspiration that other creators in the group come up with, and the teachers as well. So thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in these classes, I will link down below the SCT website, Scrapbook and Cards Today magazine. That's where these are from. And yeah, we'll see you again next time.